Can you shake it? Shake it, girl! Do a little dance. And now we're gonna roll.
Come on. I'll catch you. Do the roll. Tradition.
Woo! Okay, that is so scary because one day we're not gonna be there and she's gonna wanna do it anyway. Yeah. Are you dancing?
Dance.
What a beautiful voice you have.
Ava-licious.